and ready to race. And the rope. Early lead is taken by Royal Jeddah, Golden Race by the Real Mutiara, and Dugu's favorite Dugu's to King and Blue Chic. Nearing the far turn, it's Golden Raid by half a length, followed by Royal Jeddah on the outside. Mutiara running in third, and by the rail is Dugu's favorite, and Dugu's to King and Blue Chic. At the far turn, it's still Golden Rage, Royal Jeddah on the outside, Mutiara, Dugu's to King, and Dugu's favorite moving up on the outside in Blue Chic. The last bend for home, Royal Jeddah on the outside, Golden Rage by the rail, and Mutiara on the farther outside is Dugu's favorite. Golden Rage, Royal Jeddah, Blue Chic now moving up on the inside. Farther outside, Mutiara and Dugu's favorite, and Blue Chic moving up on the inside. And nearing the payoff line, it's going to be Mutiara, Dugu's favorite, Blue Chic,